even your open house. When we came to your open house, I actually had another realtor in mind that, we hadn't signed, we hadn't done anything, but I had another realtor in mind from other things. And after we came to your open house, we got there right as you were literally stepping out the door and locking the door. And you were like, "Yeah, you're here. Come on in and take a look." And, we lingered for a while, but you never made us feel rushed. You made us feel welcome. You answered our questions. And when we got back home, Joey said, "You know what? I really would like to work with this lender. He's hungry. He's a go-getter. He knows the area really well." And so I got trumped because I'll be honest, I was going to go with somebody else. And Joey said that he just really got such a good vibe from our brief experience with you that day that he said, "Okay, let's use this guy. I like him."
Yeah, and the whole entire process has been super easy working with Tim. So he's very professional, and he's on the ball all the time. Always happy to help. Picks up the phone, which is very important. And he will take us out to some really crazy areas that, even though I think I've kind of wasted his time a few times, but he's always there with a smile. It's been a great experience.
And a joke.
Yeah, so I've been handled. The process of selling our current home has gone very well with Tim. He came in and gave us the right advice, and everything he said was on point. So he knows the business very well.
And I really appreciate too that when you do make suggestions like, I feel like we should do this or we should consider that, you always have, what am I trying to say? You always have examples and facts and reasons as to why this is your opinion that we need to do that. It's not just, this is what I say, let's do it.
Exactly. He's not pushy.
Thinking about selling, but not sure who to trust? Let's talk. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a real plan that fits your life.